In September 2023, a bridge between the new Artisan and New Triangle section of the Enugu-Port Harcourt Expressway in Enugu collapsed. Thereafter, lawmakers of the Enugu State House of Assembly called on the federal government to take action to work on the collapsed bridge to ease the difficulties of road users caused by the bridge collapse. The federal government heeded the call, and reconstruction work on the collapsed Enugu-Port Harcourt Expressway bridge kicked off on Friday, November 10. So today we are looking at the current state of the road and how far they have gone with the road construction. Give us a thumbs up by liking the video, comment and share your thoughts about the road construction, and if you have not subscribed to this channel, kindly click on the subscribe and the notification button below so you can be notified anytime we post our new video. The governor had announced that the palliative work on the collapsed bridge will begin on one lane of the bridge that was still standing to ensure it was ready for use within no time. The Enugu state government has announced that it will reopen one lane of the Enugu-Port Harcourt Expressway collapsed bridge for use, and this has been done. As you can see, everyone is driving one lane. This was disclosed by Gerard Otiji, the Enugu State Commissioner for Works, while briefing newsmen after the State Executive Council meeting held at the Government House, Enugu. Recall that the commissioner revealed that the reason why the Enugu state government wants to reopen one lane of the Enugu-Port Harcourt Expressway bridge is to prevent trucks from driving through the state capital city. With this, we can direct all the trucks to ply the road instead of coming into the state capital. We are also having a traffic management team that will help to control traffic in the state, the commissioner explained. Enugu collapsed bridge. We will begin reconstruction immediately, Umahi assured. The Minister of Works, Engineer Dave Umahi, which assured of immediate reconstruction of the bridge between the new Artisan flyover and the narrow triangle at the Enugu end of the Enugu-Port Harcourt Expressway. So today we are looking at the current state of the road and how far they have gone with the road construction.